As more fiber is deployed, you need to add connections in small, tight, and unique spaces. Belden's FiberExpress ECX wall mount fiber enclosure makes it easier than ever to install, manage, and maintain fiber while bringing connections closer to the user and devices. This durable metal wall mount panel holds 2, 4, or 6 ECX modules and hosts up to 192 fiber connections on the wall. Let's see how it'll make your life easier. Time is money, which is why the patch panel features embossed, recessed mounting holes. They allow one-person installation without exceptional strain, even on uneven walls. Each door can be locked, protecting and separating trunk and patch sides to create a secure, easy-to-manage fiber environment. Working in tight spaces no longer has to be difficult or uncomfortable. The ECX wall mount system features a swing-out cassette rail assembly that facilitates easy port access. Assemblies are also removable. As long as incoming cables have slack, you can take your assemblies to your workstation for splicing. A quick flip of the assembly allows you to install the next module. You'll maximize the wall mount system's capacity without sacrificing ease of use. Finally, accessories make management simple. Grommets and built-in rear attachment points protect, manage, and secure incoming cables. Adhesive label sheets identify ports. Clips route cables on the patch side of the enclosure, and a grounding kit bonds the metal enclosure to ground. Make your vertical real estate more productive and take your ECX wall mount enclosure where no other ECX patch panel has gone before, to your walls.